Wanna know how to invite members or people to your Lovable project? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application or just simply hit towards your website and type in lovable.dev. And once that is done, you should be inside the Lovable website. So, once that is done, on the top right side, you should be seeing your current profile right here. So you can just simply select it. So once you've selected your profile here, you should be seeing various options. So if there is no profile showing up to you, just simply log in or sign up. We have created a video on it, so make sure to watch it. Now just simply hit towards settings right here. And once you select settings, on the left side, you should be seeing people. Just simply select it. And right here, you should be seeing your invite new members right here. So you can just simply add any email that you liked. And then just simply select invite, and you can also change it through this drop down box to viewer, editor or admin. So that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.